So here I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan to conceal my eyelids to prepare for eyeshadow. Next I'll be using this Colourpop eyeshadow that's like a yellow brown as a transition color. Now I'll be using two shades from my Morphe 35O palette as my crease colors. So first I'm going to start off with a brick red color, and then I'm going to go in with a dark brown. Now I'm going to take that same concealer from earlier and I'm going to start to cut my crease. Now I'm going back into my Morphe 35O palette. I'm going to take a nude color that matches the concealer just to set it. So here I'm going in with the brush from earlier just to blend out the edges so there's no harsh lines on the outside of the cut crease. Now to create a glitter liner, I'm going to be using my NYX glitter glue and my NYX gold glitter. To prime my face, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Revlon ColorStay in Caramel. This is not my favorite foundation, but it's one of the only drugstore foundations I actually have. And it's not bad, I just don't like the texture of it. And here you're going to see that I'm going to switch brushes. I did not like the flat oval brush to apply my foundation. I was just using it because my other brushes were wet. Now I'm going back with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Cool Tan to highlight my face. And here I'm just wiping off the concealer and foundation off my lips because I hate having foundation on my lips. And just to help blend out everything, I'm going back in with my foundation brush. And here I'm using the darkest shade in the Black Radiance contour palette just to contour my face. As you can see, it came out very strong because my brush was wet. Now I'm going to be using a Real Technique sponge to set under my eyes and around my face with the Sacha Buttercup powder. So I personally like to go in with a powder for my eyebrows just to cover up any makeup that might have gotten on my eyebrows during the process. I'm just using the Maybelline eyeshadow palette, just Nudes. Here I'm going in with my favorite blush by Black Radiance. It's in Toasted Almond. I've literally had it for years and I have not hit pan yet. Now I'm going to be using my Mario Badescu setting spray just to set my face, and then I'm going to go in with Maybelline Chrome highlighter. Now I'm going to be taking my NYX liner in this brown shade. I'm just going to line my lips. Then I'm going to follow this with the NYX lip cream in Abu Dhabi to put in the center of my lips. So that's it for this video. If there's anything you want to see specifically in detail, please leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching.